Today I'm gonna show you how to make a house and align it on center. So we're gonna do a simple house using two shapes. First you have the box, drag and drop the box on center. Now, usually when you have the roof here, if you bring the roof, it's gonna be painful to put the roof over here because for a line on top of the box makes hard sometimes when we are trying to play on this arrow here. So the easiest way for align it, I will delete, okay, the roof. And now what we're gonna do, we'll click over here, work plane, or just type W. So when I click over here, I have the work plane uh, in my mouse, so I can click over the box on top. And now I said the work plane, now it's on top of the box. So it means like my ground it's on top of the box. So if I drag and drop the roof now, it's exactly on top of the house. Okay, just if I need to do something on the ground again, I just need to click over here in work plane and click over there in the ground again. Okay. Now the second thing I want to show you, you have some fields here. The first one, if you click, it's a home view. So if you click in a home view, you see the view for all the grid. But if I'm working with the roof, I will click over here. So the second option, fit view to selected shapes. So I will just fix my view for the roof. So now I can see the roof like closely. So if you see it's not aligned yet, I aligned the height, but now I need to align on center of the box. So first what I'm gonna do, I have selected the green one, the roof, and now I hold the key shift. Holding the key shift, you have two shapes. After you selected these two shapes, you should click over here, align. When I click in align, you can see these dots. Can you see these black dots? This is the way I'm gonna align it. So I will click over here and align on center in the vertical way. Okay, got it. So if you see it's gray, when your dot it's not black anymore, it's gray, it means you align it. So if I check on center here, it's aligned. So I don't want to align on top, I want to align on center here. So now it's okay, I just click over the grid here and you have done your house and it's aligned. Okay, if I want to like do something extra, I can drop a box and make it smaller and make a window. So how can I put a window over here on center? Or let's say instead a window, I want a door. So I'll do this height, and now my door is not aligned. So again, holding the shift, you select the object you want to align it, and I have the two shapes, and now I click over here. Can you see this black dot here? I will just click over this black dot, and now I line it up. Okay, so it's on center. So now if I select all and click over here, I can group and I have a house. Okay guys, thank you.